There's a very strange tension in the market recently. This week is going to be quite interesting. I've been doing a little bit of research because I like to try and gauge the temperature of the market by listening to what some analysts say, looking at some data myself. Very important is what's happening in America. That always has a massive impact on crypto, right? And there are two camps, and both camps appear to be quite solid in their conviction. The first camp reckons that we're about to see some kind of great reset this week. Now, these people that say these things on the internet obviously are a little bit, outlandish with the exaggeration, because the great reset is a global event that is clear to everyone to see. It's not something that happens on a weekly basis. So some of these words are thrown around a little bit flippantly, in my opinion. But perhaps what they mean is there's going to be some massive action that's going to cause some red candles basically in the market this week. And a lot of people have been consolidating and selling off, etc. Risk of asset like Bitcoin, quote unquote, is one that's going to be sold off this week based on what's going to happen. The other camp is saying that, well, Bitcoin has taken a breather for a little bit and it's time for, ETFs and stuff to start buying again. So Fidelity, BlackRock, those guys are going to get their checkbooks out and we're going to see some beautiful green candles this week. Now, the former camp that I mentioned have shown a declining trend in Bitcoin, bouncing off, being rejected, lower highs. So it suggests a bearish sort of turnaround for Bitcoin based on the markets, right? But again, if you watch some of the videos or look at some of the content of these people that have been saying this stuff, they say something one day and then say something the other day. It seems like it's an emotional tug of war, and that's how you get views and engagement on the internet, right? The other camp that's very, very bullish and happy about what's about to happen points to the fact that, again, FOMO is building. We're still in greed. The ETFs have to cede. Inflation all over the world. Japan is about to cut rates. And all of these macro factors that signify that people are going to flee to Bitcoin as a store of value for those that are losing their value via inflation. And of course, the use of cryptocurrencies by Japan. Now, when you mention Japan, it basically rings alarm bells of joy in the ears of XRP holders, right? So XRP holders are happy about that because, of course, the Bank of Japan is rumored to be really, really bullish on XRP. In fact, some of their leaders have come out and said that by the year 2025, most banks in Japan will be using XRP for their cross-border payments and interbank transfers, etc. So there's a lot of bullishness from Japan and from Asia generally when it comes to XRP. But this week, I think it's going to be quite interesting. It might go either way. We might see the up, we might see the down. What's important, of course, is to keep emotions out of it, keep your mind settled, realize that what goes up might come down, what goes down might go up. Emotional tugs of war. In the end, we're not even at the halving yet. And traditionally, Bitcoin skyrockets momentarily after the halving. So we're already sort of in price discovery now. So after the halving, only goodness knows what's going to happen. Don't let the big guys steal your money. Don't let the big guys steal your crypto. Remember, they say one thing in front of the camera and do quite the opposite at the back. So do as they do, don't do as they say, in a way, right? So this is not financial advice, of course. Do your own research, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.